regards to tendering process for seeds and fertilizer, Chair, I only summoned Martin Okwata after I saw a publication on Weekly Citizen newspaper where the image and the county of Siaya County had been tarnished. So I invited him to my office and I asked him to explain to me what was going on. And he did explain to me. It is true, I also asked him about the eligibility requirements, because he had restricted it to youth. And so he explained, and I left it at that. 2 days later, true to my suspicions, EACC moved in, wrote a letter to us asking for documentation with regards to that particular procurement. And Okwata, exercising his professional discretion, then terminated the tender. I never received a professional. He said he handed over an unsigned professional opinion to me and evaluation forms. Now, first, I never received those documents. He did not produce any evidence that I received those documents. And without prejudice, even if I did receive, how would that affect or interfere with the procurement or with procuring an unsigned professional opinion? How would it affect the procuring of fertilizers and seeds? So on the 86